Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I've come up with another Deepika Padukone inspired look, so let's jump into the video. I'll spray Kama Ayurveda pure lavender water all over my face. And to hydrate my skin, I'm using Aveeno Clear Complexion Moisturizer. I'll take a wet beauty blender and I'll spread it all over my face. For the eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the shade Brown. I'll follow the same drill to fill in the eyebrow. Now I'm using Forever 52 Contour and Conceal palette. I'll take the concealer shade from it and I'll clean the edges. I'm going to blend it with a small beauty blender. I have applied the concealer on my eyelids as well so that the eyeshadow pops out. Now I'm going to set it with the help of Forever 52 Translucent Loose Powder. Let's move on to eyes. I'm using Makeup Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette and I'll take the brown shade from it. I'll use the brown shade as a transition shade. I'll apply it all over the eyelid on my crease area. Now I'll take a darker shade of brown. I'll just apply it in the outer corner of the eyes. And I'll apply the same shade in the lower lash line as well. For the glitter shade, I'm using Forever 52 Magnificent palette. I'll apply the same glittery shade in the lower lash line as well. You can either use a brush or your fingers. For the liner, I'm using Maybelline Gel Eyeliner in the shade Brown, which I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line, as well as I'll use it as a liner. Take a deep brown shade and I'll apply it over the eyeliner. I just want to give it a smoky look. I'm just smudging it out. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with the help of an eyelash curler. Forever 52 XL mascara. I'll apply it on the upper as well as the lower lashes. I have applied the lashes off camera. Just to conceal the under eye area, I'll use the same Forever 52 Contour and Correct palette. To set it, I'm using the same Forever 52 translucent powder. I'll just apply it over that. For the foundation, I'm using LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. I'll blend it with the help of a wet beauty blender. I'll take the highlight shade and I will apply it under my eyes. To set my face, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Compact Powder. To cream contour, I'm using the same Forever 52 palette and I'll apply it in the usual areas. And I'll just blend it with the help of a small beauty blender. To powder contour, I'm using LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette. For the blush, I'm using SIVANNA Colors Blush Palette. To highlight my face, I'm using Forever 52 Highlight Palette. I'll apply the same highlighter shade on the brow bone as well. To hydrate my lips, I'm using LA Colors Lip Balm. I'll use two lipsticks. One is from NYB, the name is Darling Isabella, and the other one is from Sephora. Now I'll take CoverGirl lip gloss and I apply it over it. To set my face, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Water. And that finishes the look. Here's the final look. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.